Hey guys. So I finished my AM transmitter, and here it is. Um Here's the adjustment for I guess the station or the carrier frequency. Here's the power input, which is just a micro USB. Here's the antenna. And here's the audio in. So I guess they call this Manhattan style circuit building, but basically you start with this is just a copper clad board, and this is the ground plane, and then for the nodes, I basically cut small pieces of this, and I put it on top. So each of these squares is like a node. And then the base layer is the ground plane. And I guess this way, or I looked online, and a lot of people use this copper clad board for RF, and I think it just gives you like better signal, and less noise. Yeah, but here's this is a variable capacitor, and there's also a second one. This one is used to adjust the carrier frequency. And the way it works is it's a capacitor on the Colpitts oscillator. So when you twist this, it changes the frequency of the oscillator. Here's the transistor for that oscillator. Oh, and here's the actual, I guess this is the part that produces the oscillations. It's called a tank circuit. It has the inductors and the capacitor. And then the carrier frequency goes into the modulator. And then, here's the audio in, which goes into the modulator. So you have the carrier frequency, it goes into the modulator, and then it gets modulated. And then the output of the modulator goes into the antenna. But, yeah, and I tested it out, and it works. But I will say the output signal or the transmission, when I pick it up with my radio, it's not as strong as I would like it to be. And I spent a while messing with this, but I don't know. I might have to look into that. And this antenna, it's actually removable. Here's a special RF connector for the antenna, and here's the antenna. But I was looking at my oscilloscope, and it looks like it might be the same type of connector as my oscilloscope. I'm not sure. But yeah. Oh, here's the these are the variable capacitors. I ordered them offline. These are kind of cool because they allow you to change the frequency of your oscillator. So normally you would have like a potentiometer, but this is my first time using these, and they're kind of cool. But yeah, that's my AM transmitter. So I'm fully finished with it. I might post a demonstration later tonight, or if I get the output a little stronger. But yeah, that's my AM transmitter.